Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to go ahead and cover the find and replace action on Microsoft PowerPoint. So I have a presentation open right now that we used Copilot to create, and this isn't necessarily the best use case, but let's say in my scenario, I want to go ahead and replace all instances of the word Labrador Retrievers in my PowerPoint presentation with just labs, LABS, which is common abbreviated form for what you would call a Labrador Retriever dog breed. So what we need to do is either we can press Control F on our keyboard, or we can come over here to the Home tab, select Find and Replace. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and type in Labrador Retrievers. Okay, and now what we can do is we can choose, do we want to match the case? Do we want to match the whole word only? And also we can choose different instances of when we want to replace it, or if we want to replace every instance of it. So if I go ahead and put in labs, now we have it there. So let's go ahead and let's actually cycle through the different instances of labs, Labrador Retrievers being mentioned. So you can see the first one is actually here on the agenda. So it'll change it there. It'll also change it down here in our notes for the agenda page. Next one is here on the section slide, where it's going to go and introduce labs. Next one is again here in the notes. And then we have another one on this page, and then another one in the notes. So rather than me having to go through each individual one, I already looked through all of them and I'm good to go. I'm just going to go ahead and select Replace All. Okay, so now if we look on this agendas page, it went ahead and changed Labrador Retriever to labs. Down here, it also changed it to labs. You scroll down to this, went ahead and changed it here. It changed it down here. And could see something was a little bit different here. Labradors, I didn't specify that word, so Labradors is the labs is abbreviating. But you can see that didn't change because I didn't specify that. I specified Labrador Retrievers, but every instance of Labrador Retrievers was changed to labs. So that is actually how you're able to use the Find and Replace tool on Microsoft PowerPoint.